How to fix Cash App unexpected error. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix Cash App's unexpected error, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to fix unexpected or unknown error occurred on Cash App, what you have to do is simply, first of all, let's say you're having issue with the Cash App. When you're trying to open it up or maybe make a transaction or do something, it says an unknown error occurred. Now this can be fixed by various reasons. First of all, of course, I want you to check is simply your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data. If you're using cellular data, try to switch to Wi-Fi to see if that helps solve your problem. If it doesn't, what I want you to do is long press the Cash App icon here, then tap on the app info option. Once you tap on the app info button, over here you'll find this option known as storage and cache. Just make sure to tap on it. Once you tap on storage and cache, over here you'll find this option called clear cache, and you'll also find this option called clear storage. Just make sure to tap on it. Tap on delete app data. Once you've done that, what I want you to do is simply open up your Play Store here, and then in the search box you simply want to go ahead and type in Cash App. Check if the Cash App actually has an update, and if it does, then definitely make sure to update the app to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have definitely helped you solve your problem. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.